Get down on your knees. Put your hands like that. Behind your back.
Welcome to Cams Don't Lie. In May 2022, the Cumberland Police Department started an undercover online operation aimed at identifying individuals seeking relationships with minors. During this operation, an undercover investigator found an ad on a website similar to Craigslist titled Daddy for Little. The ad described a married professional looking to discreetly take on a daddy role for a young person, stating, "I'm a married professional looking to be discreet, daddy role for little to take care of. I'm in Rochester, let's vibe on." The person behind the ad was identified as 43-year-old Jason Bowers. The investigator responded to the ad posing as a 15-year-old girl, and the two started chatting on the Kik app. Over the following days, Jason exchanged several messages and images of his day-to-day activities. He went as far as reaching out to the fictitious girl from an office within the hospital where he was employed in Rochester, Minnesota. He would also constantly urge for a voice call rather than text. During one conversation, Jason suggested a video conference to verify whether the imaginary girl was affiliated with the police. He also pointed out that law enforcement was closely monitoring such activities. About 8 days after their initial messages, Jason embarked on a journey to his fate, from Rochester, Minnesota to Cumberland, Wisconsin, roughly 2.5 hours apart. As Jason arrived at the meeting point, Cumberland police and DCI agents surrounded his vehicle for a high-risk arrest.
Be right there. Right there.
Car, put your hands up! Put your hands out the window! Slowly grab your keys and step out of your vehicle. Hands up, face away from me. Step out, face away from me. Face away from me. Slowly walk back with their hands up. Face away. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Face away, keep walking, stop.
Get down on your knees. Put your hands like that. Behind your back.
Is anyone else in the car? Are there any guns in the car or anything like that? Okay. He said no one else is in the car. Hatch is clear.
I got this right on there.
Okay. Might be in the can.
He was directed to put his hands up, step out of the car facing away, and walk backward with his hands raised. After he knelt down, the officers checked if anyone else or any weapons were in the car. Jason confirmed there was no one else and no weapons present. Police later found out that Jason was a surgical technician at Mayo Clinic, married with 2 children. His wife was unaware of the incident and stated Jason had no prior involvement in such actions.
I parked in the middle of the street so nobody would come down the street. And there's these people in the apartment. What's that lady doing parking in the middle of the street?
Your lights in?
I do. I'm like, you see them?
Well, they're not right. No.
Yeah, they are backwards because Peter got put them on backwards. My husband has fixed them. The actual interview. She's just gonna put him in the interview room and he can just sit and
So
speak for a second.
it might be trickier to end up with in terms of security. It might just be easier to see like documenting, take out photos and stuff like that. If you're okay
That's
with that, I
fine.
mean, it's
Yeah,
a
he's
show.
not gonna be here. They
Right.
take that. So
Okay.
we'll do that.
All right. Awesome. Yeah, like take pictures of the interior, see what you got.
Getting my own 718.
You have Rochester over gloves in your slide by any chance?
Yeah.
Step on toes. Do all the pictures here before Rich takes the vehicle.
Okay.
So
there's a whole bunch of bags and stuff inside, and I see there's like shooting targets, so there might be a gun in there somewhere. But yeah, just take pictures of everything and then just grab anything you find. So
I'm gonna go back to that.
Electronics, we need to take.
Did he have a phone on him, or is it in the car?
It's in the car, I believe. He did not have a phone on him, but he should have 2 phones.
Okay. So this pretty much take anything?
Anything electronic and anything, like he said he was going to bring protection if he was going to use it. So anything like that, and then...
Yeah, if there's condoms or anything related to this, let's photograph it,
Yep.
and then you'll take it as evidence. Yep.
We'll help and search the vehicle and get it in.
Yeah, okay. So we'll go back and we'll do the interview.
Yeah, and then we'll just do a whole... We'll do all the inventory stuff later.
Okay.
You want?
Car seats. Hey, John. I don't think so. Thank you. Yeah. See you, John. Okay, I put all 4 grand.
You got numbers? All set?
I don't have numbers, sir.
You got any,
The officers noted that Jason had parked in the middle of the night and that there were people in his apartment. They decided to place the individuals in the interview room. Officers found bags with shooting targets and suspected there might be a gun. They were instructed to photograph everything, collect all items, and check the car for any phones or electronic devices, as Jason was expected to have 2 phones. They also noted to gather any items related to protection or condoms for evidence. After searching Jason's vehicle, officers found a tube of lubricating jelly, a loaded 9mm handgun, and a small amount of marijuana. They also found a cell phone and took pictures of the items.
it's a cell phone. You want to take a picture of the cell phone?
Yeah.
I took a picture of that.
Got that? Okay. Can you take a picture of that lube that was in that bag?
How can he come here? Well, I mean, there is a lunch packed in the back. Maybe he didn't want to use his card to bring anything.
Listen.
That's why it smells like weed. I got weed.
Really?
Anybody want some?
Where was that in the little thread thing?
Yep. Just
Here, put it back.
Now he's going to
Jason was then taken to an interview room where he requested an attorney before answering questions. He was subsequently transported to jail.
Step on off. I'm gonna walk around the back of the squad. Keep walking. Go back into that room. Not at the moment. Scoot down over here further.
Hello.
Hey, Cumberland PD, 1 male.
Hi, come on in.
Hello.
Whoa. How is Jason today?
He's good.
Good. Well, then how's Mindy today?
I'm good.
Good.
How are you?
Good.
Good.
Good, man. I just gotta ask you some questions, okay? Go ahead and take your feet up. Yeah. Okay, come on over here. Yeah, that's right. You have any? Okay, you wanna bring me a drink, Jason? I'll get you stuff. Okay, but I'll have you take your seat back there and then take your shoes off for me.
After obtaining a search warrant for Jason's phone, officers discovered multiple messages with couples discussing meetings at local hotels for sexual activities. Jason was charged with using a computer to facilitate a child sex crime and attempted second-degree sexual assault of a child. In March 2023, he was found guilty of attempted second-degree sexual assault. The other charge was dismissed but considered. He was sentenced to 3 years in prison and 7 years of extended supervision. Thanks for watching. What do you think of this case? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel for more intriguing stories.